To turn on and off the sensors and/or change their location within the Lifeline meter application, first unlock the application using the password generator from the password generator program. Next, make note of how the sensors are displayed on your AreaRea detector. There are 2 rows and 3 columns of sensors. For the Lifeline meter application, it needs to know the left to right sequence of sensors for both rows. The top row is red, followed by the bottom row. For example, for this meter, a sensor is missing from the upper left position, so the sequence would be VOC, gamma, LEL, and O2. Next, select the Meter Settings tab. The sensor sequence from the meter's display is now entered into the label column from top to bottom. Any missing or not used sensors should be marked as off or none. The next step is to arrange the sensors to match the faceplate of the AreaRea. To do this, select the Sensors Position button. The graphic that appears is a grid that will allow you to drag and drop the sensors into their correct position to match the faceplate. Simply drag the sensors from the upper left-hand corner, taking advantage of the spare position in the center of the lower row if needed. The sensor position window and the meter display should now match. Select OK when complete, followed by the Save Settings and Configure buttons on the prior screen. The main screen now shows the correct configuration matching the display of the instrument. The AreaRea used for this tutorial also has a defective oxygen sensor. If allowed to run, the Lifeline meter application would generate an alarm condition. To turn this sensor off, simply return to the Meter Settings tab and select Off to replace the O2 for the 4th substance, followed by clicking the Save Settings and Configure buttons. Further screen cleanup could be performed by returning to the Meter Settings tab and selecting the Sensor Position button. The sensors once again can be arranged to match the instrument's display. This time, once complete, the none and off sensors can be dragged to the trash bin, followed by clicking the OK button, followed once again by the Save Settings and Configure buttons. The display now matches the AreaRea faceplate and removes both the blank sensor position and the defective oxygen sensor.